brand in the country. Get great savings on our entire lineup at the award-winning sales event. Because when we win, you win too. Also, check out the all-new 2012 Ford MPG Rio. And right now, lease the Optima for $189 a month.
So how do you smuggle a stolen Ferrari? Don't get it started. One last job.
I got 2 kids now. I can't do this.
I'll give you 2 weeks.
15 million.
I lost my stripes.
You're running something on my shit.
Have you ever been to Scotland, Grand Theft, or Amsterdam?
Together? Rated R starts January 13th.
Millions have enjoyed Customer Appreciation Month at Subway restaurants this December, and there's still time. So hurry in for a $2 sub.